How much was Elon Musk's hair transplant? First, let's do some investigating into why I believe Elon Musk had done something with his hair. We're going to go back to 1999, where we can see visible thinning in the front area of his head. I'm guessing if we're looking at this scale right here, he's a 3 to 4 on the hair loss scale. Somehow, 20 years later, he's looking like this. So there are two things for sure he's invested into: new hair and a new barber. At first, I thought it was a hair unit, but I've kind of ruled that out now that I've seen this picture right here, where you can see two scars, symboling two separate hair transplant surgeries. Now, considering he had two hair transplants to fill in that front part of the hairline, he likely had to pull 2,500 hairs from the back of his head on two separate surgeries, 5,000 hairs total. When it comes to pricing a transplant, a lot of clinics charge $5 to $10 per hair graft. Elon probably closer to $10 because he's working with the top level surgeons. So if I had to guess, you guys could do the math with me. $10 times 5,000 hairs equals $50,000. If you like Elon's results and you'd rather do it without the surgery, hit the link in my bio, hairbychoice.com.
Damps.